Our next legislative priority is to maintain access to safe, accessible, and affordable housing with wraparound services. Across Washington, nearly 37,000 adults with intellectual and developmental disabilities face housing insecurity. In King County, many people with intellectual and developmental disabilities experience homelessness or live in unstable situations due to lack of accessible and affordable options. King County calls on the legislature to continue investing in affordable housing, including flexible state investments in operations, supportive services, repairs to existing homes, and to grow the workforce that provides the support that people need to live independently. Housing stability isn't just about a roof over someone's head. It's about dignity and safety and creating a true sense of belonging in the community. Now we'll hear from our next speaker, LaShayla Jones, who will share about the importance of accessible housing for families with disabilities.
Good evening, legislators, honored guests, and community members. My name is LaShayla Jones, and I live in Legislative District 32. I'm a mother of 2 children with autism. They are 5 and 6 years old. Tonight, I am here to discuss the importance of accessible and ADA-compliant housing for families with disabilities. Last year, my children and I experienced homelessness. We lived in our car. I tried to go to a shelter, but we were asked to leave because my son made loud noises due to his autism. It was one of the hardest moments of my life. Finally, I worked with an organization who advocated for me, and I was able to get subsidized housing. I was so happy. After everything we went through, my kids and I finally had a permanent housing and a chance to feel safe. On my application, I clearly stated that both of my children have autism and we needed an ADA accessible unit because of their behavioral and safety needs. I assumed we would be placed in the correct unit, but the apartment we were giving is not accessible and not safe for my children. My kids have fallen multiple times on the stairs. The windows are not secure for children with sensory or behavioral needs. Even after reporting this many times, we have not moved. Accessible units are very hard to find and more are needed. Yes, families like mine need housing, but we also need the right kind of housing. Housing that is accessible, housing that accommodates disabilities, housing that keeps our children safe. It is important to me when laws are passed, our housing programs are funded, that ADA units and disability accommodations are required and enforced, especially for families with children with autism and developmental disabilities. Our safety and our stability depend on it. Thank you for listening.